Hello guys, I am Jasmeet and welcome to Blogging Unplugged. In this video, we are going to discuss how can you change the scroll to top icon in the Kadence theme. Now let me start sharing the screen and show you how exactly you can do this.
Now the process to change the scroll to top icon in the Kadence theme is pretty straightforward, and what you will have to do is the first step, visit this appearance option right here. It will show you this customize option. Click it and open it. I'll open it in a new tab. And what this will do is it will take us to the theme customizer or the customization menu of the theme. Right, in the next step you will have to click this general option. This will show us this scroll to top option. In the next step, what I'm going to do is I'm going to click this option, and here is the option to change the scroll to top icon. Now let's scroll down a little so that this button appears right here, which is the scroll to top button. Okay, so you can see this is the default selection. Now in case you do not see this option and this option is disabled, then just activate this option. It will add this button right here. Now in case that button still doesn't appear, then scroll down and check this visibility option. You will find that this option has been disabled. You can see disabled, and this button will disappear, and enabled, and this button will appear. Okay, so keep this in mind. This is a minor tutorial for you. Now what we are going to do is we are going to select any of these icons. You can see I'll select this first and it changes the icon instantly, or I will select this and it changes the icon instantly, or this one, and you can see the changes are reflected instantly. Now in the next step, what you will have to do is once you have selected the icon of your choice, just click this publish button to save the changes, and the changes will be reflected instantly on your website. Okay, now for those of you who are looking to use a custom icon for scroll to top, what I will do is I will create a separate tutorial for that. Currently I'm writing that tutorial. Once that article is complete, then I will create a video for that as well. So make sure you subscribe, and in case you want to use the Kadence theme, then link to it is in the description box below.
Now I hope you have found this video helpful and are able to change the scroll to top icon in the Kadence theme. Now if you did, then make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel and turn on the post notification bell. Now in case you have any queries, feel free to comment down below and I will try and help. Also, the links to our socials along with the links to Kadence theme and bundles are in the description box below. Feel free to follow us on other platforms as well. And in case you want to buy any of the bundles or the Kadence theme, then link to that is in the description box below as well. And with that said, thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.